Peppermint's legacy as a versatile herb is deeply ingrained in human history, and its enduring popularity is a testament to its remarkable qualities. The cooling sensation of peppermint is a welcome respite for those seeking relief from the throbbing pain of headaches. When applied topically, peppermint oil creates a tingling sensation on the skin, distracting from the pain and potentially easing tension headaches. Anecdotal evidence suggests that inhaling the aroma of peppermint can also help to alleviate headache symptoms, likely due to its ability to open up the sinuses and promote relaxation. While scientific research on peppermint's effectiveness in treating headaches is ongoing, its long-standing use as a natural remedy, coupled with its refreshing properties, makes it a popular choice for those seeking drug-free headache relief. Nature's answer to muscle pain. When it comes to muscle pain and inflammation, peppermint offers a natural and effective way to find relief. The menthol in peppermint acts as a topical analgesic, creating a cooling sensation that can soothe sore muscles and reduce pain perception. Peppermint oil is often added to massage oils, lotions and balms to enhance their therapeutic effects. Whether applied directly to the affected area or enjoyed as part of a massage, peppermint can help to alleviate muscle soreness, reduce inflammation and promote relaxation. Its ability to provide natural pain relief makes it a popular choice for athletes, individuals with chronic pain conditions, and anyone seeking a drug-free approach to muscle pain management. A soothing balm for respiratory distress. Peppermint's ability to clear congestion and soothe irritated airways makes it a valuable ally in times of respiratory distress. The menthol in peppermint acts as a decongestant, helping to open up the airways and improve airflow. This makes it an effective treatment for colds, coughs and sinus infections. Peppermint oil is often used in aromatherapy to relieve congestion and promote feelings of clear breathing. Its refreshing aroma can also help to invigorate the senses and create a sense of well-being. Whether inhaled, applied topically or consumed as a tea, peppermint offers a natural approach to finding relief from respiratory discomfort. Experiencing the refreshing versatility of peppermint. The versatility extends beyond its medicinal benefits, finding its way into a wide array of culinary and cosmetic applications. From refreshing teas and invigorating smoothies to flavorful desserts and savory dishes, peppermint adds a burst of flavor and a cooling sensation to countless culinary creations. Its extract is a common ingredient in toothpaste, mouthwash and breath mints, providing a refreshing and deodorizing effect. Peppermint is also utilized in aromatherapy, where its invigorating aroma is believed to promote focus and concentration. Whether enjoyed for its taste, scent or therapeutic properties, peppermint continues to captivate the senses and enhance our lives in numerous ways. As always, embrace the power of nature for a healthier, happier you.